This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable cake servers, specifically these plastic cake servers, and we have a few styles and some color options to show you. In the triangle servers, we have black, white, pink, and lemon chiffon. And in the CaterTech cake servers, we have both black and clear. And all of these are 100% recyclable, making them a fantastic disposable option that's also eco-friendly. These are perfect for serving cake at events or putting out alongside self-service buffets, alongside things like cakes, pies, brownies, layered desserts like tiramisu. It's a nice, easy way for guests to take their portion with ease while supporting it. There's the wonderful range of colors and styles that are available to match your events, whether it's a color scheme, a theme, or something else. And these little triangle servers feature this nice little tab at the back that makes it easy for people to grab and lift their portions. And they're a nice slim plastic, so they're easy to slide underneath slices. They don't feature a cutting edge, so this is something that you should be putting out along with things that are already pre-portioned. The CaterTech servers actually have a nice little serrated edge on them, so they're going to be great for putting out alongside things where you have guests that might want to cut their own portion sizes, whether those are slimmer or more generous. So you have a few different features and options to choose from there as well. They're great for sending out on jobs since you won't need to worry about getting them back. They're disposable. And they're fantastic for an add-on to orders for celebration cakes, for bakeries, or cake studios. These are perfect to keep on hand at busy restaurants, bakeries, cake shops, or for caterers that do a lot of events with dessert service.